lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I have already filmed a video on how to apply this eyeshadow. So if you haven't checked it yet, then please check it out. I am going to leave the link into the description box below. So now today in this video I am going to show you how to contour your face, how to apply blush and how to contour your face. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please stay tuned. Let's get started with the video, but before that I am going to apply foundation on my face. And I'm just going to fast forward that process. But if you like to see a detailed video on how to apply your foundation, how to choose your foundation, then please let me know into the comment section below and I would love to do it for you guys. So let's get started. So for the contouring, I am going to use this Master Contour palette from Maybelline. This is really a very nice contour palette wherein you will get a contour shade, a blush and a highlighter. So it's very good for the beginners who don't want to invest a lot in their makeup. So yes, I think this is a very nice palette to use it. You also get a brush along with that, which I have never used. So yes, let's get started. So first I am going to contour my face by using wait, I'll just broke my brush. So by using this brush, you can use any of the brush that you have to apply your contour. So what I'm going to do is take the contour shade, tap the excess, and then I'm going to create this shape. Yes, if you can see what I have drawn on my face. Yes. Now I'm going to blend this. Blending is the key. You need to blend a lot. Okay, so if you have a smaller forehead, then you need to skip this forehead wala process. So you just don't need to cut your forehead. But I do have big forehead, so I just need to cut it. I also need to cut my double chin because I have put on a lot of weight, which I need to work on. But yeah, for now, makeup will do the thing. See a little shadows that we have created on my face, if you can see this. Now I just like more contoured and chiseled cheeks. So what I'm going to do is take this smaller brush and I'm just going to apply it over here to give more depth to my cheekbones. I'm just going to apply this into the hollows of my cheekbones and I'm going to blend it again. Just blend. The key to a flawless makeup is blending. You just need to blend because you don't need any patches on your skin, right? So just blend. Contouring is done and I'm going to take this brush. This is a very cute brush. I got this from a random cosmetic store, but it has very soft bristles, so nice. I just love this. So I'm going to take this blush. Wait, I'll just show you this shade right here, the blush one, and tap the excess again, and then I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheekbones. I'm just going to smile and apply it. I'm also going to apply it on my nose. Just a bit on my forehead to give that healthy glow sort of thing. So yes, this is how easy it is to apply your blush. See, this gives so much life to your skin. I just love this process of blushing and contouring, and I just love it. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to take that same brush with which we just contoured. I'm going to take this third shade highlighter, and now I'm going to take that, tap the excess and apply it onto the highest points of my face, like on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow. So I'm back, and this is how the face looks like after doing all contouring and blushing and all that. I've also applied the lipstick. So yes, just take a closer look with the whole makeup, and I think you can achieve this look like this with very few products. And this is a very versatile makeup, and you can wear this in anybody's wedding or on your date with your boo-boo if you want to. Yeah. So yes, if you like this video, then please give this a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, bye bye. Love you all.